Alright, so there's an interesting thing about this HP laptop. You can actually repair the fan, or the fan, if it's making like weird noises. You can actually pull these propellers out. So these propellers actually don't extend underneath the motherboard like a lot of the new computers. So I found out you can get a set of pliers. We're going to grab the raised portion here, and you want to hold the base down and pull straight up, and you can see we can pull these propellers out. And then you don't want to squeeze on that to grip the blades too hard either, because you don't want to make dents in the this part. So you can see it's not even damaged at all. Just grab that and pulled it up. And basically what we did, I cleaned this out and then I dripped some motor oil in there. I just had some synthetic motor oil that I used for my car before. And yeah, then you drop this back in. Make sure to push it down all the way. And it spins smooth now. I have videos actually showing how to repair a lot of fans. Usually you end up having to pull the entire fan assembly out. So in this case, if that was like that, you'd have to take the whole motherboard out. But in this case, I found there's actually a simple way to get to it. So yeah, I actually made a video of this like a couple years ago, and I think I took that one completely apart, but now I found out that we can pull it out from there. So hopefully this video helps some of you guys fix your fans. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.